Welcome to demo session of SmartSM. After listening to my presentation, I would like to demo what we have talked earlier. Let's go through together. Firstly, I would like to log in as admin. First of all, I would like to introduce briefly about SmartSM feature for admin. Then I will describe in detail. We have dashboard, structure management, class management, student information, staff management, score management, attendance, transcript and certificate. For dashboard is our homepage. This homepage tells the admin briefly about number of students in last 3 generations. As well, SmartSM is responsive, which means that portable with smart device. For example, smartphone, computer or tablet. Let's move to structure management. This page controls on generation, core, class, and subject. SmartSM group related subpage together to make user access faster. For generation is subpage of structure management. This subpage is used for controlling all generation. It must be created firstly. It contains necessary add, edit, and delete operation. For add operation, we need generation name, start date, end date, and description. Core. Subpage core controls all courses in created generation. It is needed after generation and before class and subject. Like by generation, it contains necessary operation. For add operation. For the last generation, course type, start date, end date, and description. For class. Subpage class control all class in created current generation. It needs before subject. For add operation, we can choose existing class or create new. For subject, subpage subject control all subject. It needed after class. For add operation, it can add a subject into single or multiple class. For all subpage, we have special feature. That feature is filter. For example, subpage subject, we can filter by subject name, class name, course, generation. Now filter by subject name, class name, course, and generation. Let's move to student information. This page shows all student information in HRD Center. And it's really useful when HRD Center want to know detail about their language, their education, their experience, and their training. Let's move to staff management. Staff management page. This page shows all staff information. Add new staff. We have two choices, add new staff and add existing student. Add new staff. We need to fill all information. Add existing student. We can choose from generation, class, and select student name. Let's move to score management. This page shows all student score in current course and current generation. It varies from start month to last month of current course by class name. Add score. Admin could add multiple score for one subject for each class any month within current course. Let's move to attendance. Attendance page. Similar to score management page, this page shows all attendance information for current course and current generation. It is useful for admin to check attendance monthly, weekly, or daily. Add attendance. Admin can check attendance status by date and shift for each class on multiple students, on absent, permission, or late. Edit attendance. Admin can modify multiple student status by date and shift for each class, on, absent, permission, late, or present. Print attendance. Admin use this page to display detailed each class attendance information monthly. Let's move to transcript and certificate. This page is helpful for admin to print out transcript for each student depending on generation, course, and class. Let's print transcript. Here the result for printing. Let's log out admin. Let's log in as a teacher. Here is a home page for teacher. For teacher page is not different from admin but very limited. He or she could give only score for his or her corresponding subject. Let's move to SmartSM homepage for students. This is SmartSM homepage for students. Students can register online. So now, let's log in as a student. Here is student profile page. In this page, students can fill out their information such as language and their experiences. One more thing, they can view their own score and print out transcript in case get permission from admin. This is the end of SmartSM video demo. Thank you for your attendance.